This is going to be a legal dictation. Get ready. Start. Challenge in this appeal is to the judgment of a division bench of the Calcutta High Court disposing of the appeal and application filed with certain modifications. Stop. On the allegations that there was insertion of a variant claimant in the meter to bypass recording of actual consumption, first information report was lost by the personnel of the appellant board. Stop. The provisional assessment was made and thereafter, there was disconnection of electricity supply. Stop. A writ application was filed by the respondent number 1 making grievance that the disconnection of the supply was wrongly done and the provisional assessment, as made claiming rupees 2,50,000 on the ground of theft of electricity and tampering of the meter, was not sustainable. Stop para. Learned single judge of the Calcutta High Court disposed of the matter in writ petition, whereby and whereunder the appellants were directed to restore electrical supply on deposit of rupees 20,000 by the writ petitioner. Stop. The appellants questioned correctness of the order on the ground that the disconnection of supply line was effected on 24/1/2006 in terms of the Regulation 52 of the West Bengal Electricity Regulatory Commission. Stop. The division bench referred to Regulation 52 and observed that the appellants have got right to disconnect supply line of electricity on fulfillment of the conditions stipulated. Stop. But the same is required to be done following a particular procedure. Stop. It was held that due procedure was not followed. Stop. The division bench held that under section 126 of the Concerned Electricity Act, 2003, the writ petitioner had a right of filing an objection thereof, which has been filed by the writ petitioner under section 126 subclause 3. Stop. The appellants are required to pass a final order after giving a reasonable opportunity of being 127 of the Act against the final assessment order. Stop. It was, however, held that the disconnection of power supply was contrary to and was in breach of Regulation 52 and the writ petitioner was therefore entitled to be compensated. Stop. Accordingly, the cost of rupees 25,000 was imposed. Stop para. Learned counsel for the respondents submitted that the High Court has taken note of the factual scenario and the legal principles applicable. Stop. The final assessment in any event is subject to challenge. Stop. Since the final assessment had been challenged, we feel that interest of justice would be best served, if the same is disposed of in accordance with law. Stop. It is open to appellant board and its functionaries to highlight before the concerned authority as to the maintainability of the appeal on the ground of alleged delay. Stop. It is needless to say that the said aspect shall be considered by the appellate authority. Stop. Let the appeal be disposed of in accordance with law without being influenced by any of the observations made by the High Court in the impugned order and by learned single judge. Stop.